Okay, now, what we have discussed till now, like obj browse, is to fetch a records, multiple records. Obj open is to open a particular record. Generally, whenever you are opening to modify a record, they will do property set and some manipulation they will do. After that they will do obj save and they will commit. And they will commit. Okay, now we are discussing similar methods like obj open by handle and obj delete by handle. Same functionality. Okay, obj open by handle and obj open are having same functionality to open a single record, but by two methods. Obj open is expecting table primary key write. So obj open, if you expand this one, this is expecting tables primary key write. This is a table primary key. So it is expecting a primary key. But obj open by handle will expect Pisa dynasty. Okay, in Pega, every table will be having a column called Pisa dynasty. That is for Pega, internal processing. Actually, Pisa dynasty is also a unique. Pisa dynasty also contains a unique values. Okay. Apart from primary key for Pega, every table will be having one more column called Pisa dynasty. Okay, this might be sometimes similar to primary key, or sometimes it might be combination of 2, 3 columns. Like Pisa dynasty can be like this also. 1, 2, 3, space A. And here 1, 1, 1, space B. Like this also, it might be. Pisa dynasty can be a combination of 2 or 3 values, or Pisa dynasty can be single value, also based on the table. Okay, Pega will only create that one. Let me show you the Pisa dynasty. Okay, if I launch the portal, if I open any case, if I open this particular case, let's see what is the Pisa dynasty for this case. Okay, a 2001 is there, right? In a clipboard. It will be there. Let me show you. Open a clipboard on a primary page. Okay, what is a primary page? Primary page is P by work page, right? P by work page. If I click and Control F, search for Pisa dynasty. See, this is a Pisa dynasty. What is a Pisa dynasty? Pisa dynasty is a combination of here. The Pisa dynasty is a combination of your work class and your case ID a 2001. You have opened a case at 2001. So it is like a 2001. If you have opened a case of a 1001, then Pisa dynasty will be a combination of your work class and a 1001. Like that. So every time, Pisa dynasty will be a unique value. Okay, sometimes a Pisa dynasty will contain a create date time also. You understand. Class case ID space. Create date time, like whenever. It was like when, if you have attached some attachment, okay, it will be like your class some create date time. Like whenever that attachment got attached. Like that Pega only will create. Okay, we can also modify it, but by default the Pega will create. Let's see the Pisa dynasty for another table. Suppose customer ID is there. This is a page that this doesn't have. If we have any attachments, then we might see some Pisa dynasties. But the basic idea you understood, right? What is a Pisa dynasty? Pisa dynasty is a column which will be created by Pega itself. Actually, that also will have a unique value. Control F1. Okay, what it read. Any questions, guys? So whenever you are trying to use obj open, okay, obj open by handle in the sense, it will expect a Pisa dynasty of particular record instance. Handle is nothing but Pisa dynasty. If you go and see the help here, instance handle is nothing but a Pisa dynasty similar to obj. Delete by handle also. Obj. Delete by handle also expects Pisa dynasty. Obj. Delete by handle also expects Pisa dynasty. Let's also expect instance handle. See instance handle. Same method, parameters, instance handle. You have to pass Pisa dynasty here so that it will delete that particular record. If you are passing Pisa dynasty like this 123, it will delete the first record or it will open the first record. You understand, based on the availability of the data. If we have Pisa dynasty, we will pass the Pisa dynasty. If we have the primary key, we will pass the primary key. Okay, but the functionality and everything is the same. You can open this obj by handle. The instance handle. The handle of instance is unique key in internal format. Okay, that is an internal thing. Pz like it is starting with Pz right. So it's an internal property assembled by the system that identifies the instance in Pagarules database. That is actually created by system itself. Okay, if you saw this instance, handle here. See, this corresponds to the value of Pisa dynasty property of an internal class. Whatever the Pisa dynasty is there for that particular table, like class in the sense table. Okay, we need to pass that Pisa dynasty. Any questions? Any questions, guys? What is a why we are using obj open by handle? In which scenario we will use obj open by handle? Which scenario we will use obj open? That is all based on availability. If we have class keys available with us in clipboard, if we have class key, then you will use obj open. If we have Pisa dynasty, you will go for obj open by handle. But both performance and functionality are the same. Performance, everything is same for opening a particular report. Okay, any questions still here? We can go to the next set of methods, right? OBJ methods. These are all the OBJ methods. Okay, browse, open, save, delete and open by handle, delete by handle. Okay, these are the 6 important methods. Okay, let's go to the next set of methods. Like some generic methods, there will be some RDB methods. Okay, see, these are all for our Pega database. There are some RDB methods for complex queries and for also external database. RDB, methods RDB. There are some RDB delete RDB list. RDB, open RDB save. Whenever you are browsing some data from external database, okay, not from a Pega database, some kind of external database, then you have to use this RDB methods, RDB save, RDB open, RDB delete. For these RDB methods and all, you have to write the SQL code. If you expand this one, it will expect one SQL parameter. This one access is there, right? You have to create one SQL rule and the SQL rule you have to give it here, like you have to write your own custom coding. Okay, like SQL methods and all you have to use. You have to write that one.